Good afternoon, Parwasri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So myself, Meenu, I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So give an introduction about yourself, Parwasri.
My name is Parwasri. I'm from Bangalore, basically from Chickpet. So I've graduated from Atria Institute of Technology, having the CGPA of 8.09. And currently I'm pursuing the CACM course in CMTI.
Okay, how do you come to know about CMTI? So in CMTI, who you have assisted? So how was the assistance and other things?
I've got to know through the my college and one of my colleague, and he was also pursuing the CACM course in this CMTI only.
Okay. So what are the things you have learned in advanced construction management course? You can tell a brief out and tell.
I've learned reading of drawings. In softwares, I've learned AutoCAD and SketchUp. And apart from this, in the interiors, I've learned cut list. So these are the new things I've learned, ma'am.
Okay, so how was your site experience? Because in college we will be learning everything in theoretical, right? So apart from your college studies, you went for site visit. All how was the site experience, and how did you explore it?
It was very great experience, ma'am. I have basically attended the two site visits. First one is Penista. There, the coordinators were very well and they explained it very well. The next one was Design Cafe. I had went for HSR layout and even they coordinated very well. And I got to know about the practical knowledge and also the real-time rates about the materials and the company.
Yeah. So how was our trainers? So are you comfortable with them?
Yes, ma'am. They are very well experienced and they teach us very well. And if I have any doubts, then and there they'll clear it. And they are very kind and they'll help us a lot for cracking the interviews also, ma'am. I thank everyone.
Okay. So like you have cracked the interview, no? So you can just tell how did you crack the interview? So how many rounds were there?
I had two rounds, ma'am. First one was the written test, and I had to make the cut list part. So I have done with that. Later on, I had the face-to-face interview with the HR. Later on, they were asking about my introduction and also the technical, few things about the technical part they have asked, and I have cleared it, ma'am.
Good. So how much do you like our CMTI app? You know about our app, right? So how much it was useful to you?
It was very much useful as I'm an online student. So few classes were very like I missed it. So later on I was recollecting with the CMTI app, and it is very easy to access, and it has many various features, and also it is available in many languages, so it was very comfortable for me, to use the app.
Okay. Okay, so it was very comfortable, right? It was to you.
Yes, mom.
Okay, so yeah, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Sure, ma'am. Even my juniors, I would be liking to tell them to take up the CMTI, like CACM course at CMTI, and have a satisfied job role. And I'll wish them a good luck for the future, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is Parvashri's point of view for upcoming juniors and who want to pursue CACM course?
For freshers, it is very difficult to enter into the civil field, especially for females. So I suggest taking up CMTI for their better future and also have the satisfied role with whichever intentions they have. And here the CMTI helped us a lot to crack the interviews and take up the job whichever we want. And yeah, take up the course and have a good future.
Sure. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback, Parvashri. All the best for your career. Thank you.
Thank you, mom.